Hello, some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we resolve this error, network connection lost. Network connection is lost. Please check your internet connection. So this issue occurs when a Fire Stick, when you're trying to connect a Fire Stick, if the name of your Wi-Fi or if you have changed home, it's changed, right? And you don't even have a remote to operate it. In order to resolve this, guys, we have one simple tricky method. You don't have a remote and you have a Fire TV installed in your mobile phone, but the Fire TV in mobile phone will not get connected because the Wi-Fi you are connecting now and the Wi-Fi which Fire Stick remembers is different. How do we resolve this, guys? So that, guys, open your mobile phone and try to change the hotspot of your mobile phone to a previously configured Wi-Fi name and password. Okay. So you can go to connection and sharing in this particular screen. Click on connection sharing here. You can use any mobile phone. I'm using Oppo here. Click on connection sharing. Now click on personal hotspot here. You can see the personal hotspot settings, name and password. Click on that, edit to the name of your previous Wi-Fi and edit to the password of your previous Wi-Fi. You can see the name, security, password, and all. Name, whatever the name it was there in your previous Wi-Fi, add that. And password, whatever the password was there in your previous Wi-Fi, you add that. Enable the hotspot here, personal hotspot. Okay. Now, let us move to from the mobile screen. Now you can see the Fire TV is switching on. So I'm trying to switch on the Fire TV here. So you can see it is automatically getting connected to your previous Wi-Fi. Now you can see a Fire Stick is on and it is connected to it connected to the hotspot, but Fire Stick thinks that connected to your previous Wi-Fi. This is how we can resolve that error. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.